You're gonna ask, do I have a strategy to help them increase Instagram followers? Technically, the easiest way is to use the native Instagram ad to increase follower. But another way of doing this is actually you can use, if you want to use the Facebook Ads Manager, you can actually use traffic objective and drive people to your Instagram link. So that would technically help you get more visibilities or more visitors to your Instagram account. And in turn, from there, we are able to get some subscribers. It's not 100% guaranteed that everybody who comes to your Instagram account would actually sign up or kind of like, follow your Instagram account. But that's one way to help you get more visibilities using advertisement. Okay. Yeah, you have to understand all my strategies are using advertisement. I'm a Facebook ads strategies. If you want to talk about content, as in organic content to increase followers, I have no idea. I don't even have a lot of followers on my Instagram account, so that's that. But if you want to increase follower, the easiest way is to get more people to visit that. And of course, when you bring people over, you have to make sure that your Instagram account is interesting. Your posts are interesting. You want to create some valuable content that when people land on your account, they will feel it. They will feel, wow, I must follow this guy, right? Because it's interesting. It actually gives me things that I want to see. So everything is kind of like related. You just have to make sure that you drive people to your account and you provide some valuable content that people will feel compelling that bloody hell, I must follow this guy, that's kind of thing. Okay. All right. So guys, if you want to learn anything Facebook ad specifics, I have a lot of courses. You just go to tribeupacademy.com and basically I have listed all my courses available. Just go over and explore. And I would also recommend that you sign up to my email newsletter on any free courses so that you'll be informed about my future training. Right?